Are you tired of working and living paycheck to paycheck? And now all you want is to build wealth without working around the clock? Well, it's $1 million question. And the simple answer to this is passive income. Yes, today we are going to talk about how to generate passive income through investing. Now you must be thinking, why I have to invest to generate passive income? Okay, let's understand this in other words. Instead of you trading time for money, let's make money to work for you. How does that sound? See, there are many ways of generating passive income, but today we will focus only in passive income through investing. Investing into stocks, bonds, real estate, or even starting a business. So eventually this will help you to create a steady income source. And over a period of time, this will definitely grow. Now let's take an example. Investing in dividend paying stocks. So what will happen? You will receive payment out of company's profit. Real estate, you can buy properties, rent it out, you can generate rental income. Okay, so now what are the benefits of passive income? Number 1, financial security. Number 2, it gives you more freedom. Number 3, helps you to attain financial independence. Now you might be thinking all this are sounding so perfect, but the question is where to start? Well, you can start with small and gradually you can increase your investment. Number 2, diversify your portfolio. This will help you to minimize risk and optimize your profit. And number 3, the most important one, stay focused and disciplined. Passive income takes some time to build upon. Remember, Rome was never built in one day, and so has your passive income empire. So that's all from today's video. If you think you have learned something out of my video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. This is Masuma Elahi. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.